Good morning, everyone. Please sit down. Good morning, everyone. Please sit down. I have a special announcement today. I have a special announcement today. We have a new teacher joining us. We have a new teacher joining us. He will teach you English from today. He will teach you English from today. Please welcome him with a big smile. Please welcome him with a big smile. His name is Mr. David. His name is Mr. David. Now, Mr. David, please come in. Now, Mr. David, please come in. Class, this is your new English teacher. Class, this is your new English teacher.
Good morning, Mr. David.
Good morning, class. I am very happy here. Good morning, class. I am very happy here.
He will take care of you from now. He will take care of you from now. Please listen to him with full attention. He is a wonderful teacher, I promise. He is a wonderful teacher, I promise. I will leave now. Goodbye, everyone. I will leave now, everyone.
I am your new English teacher today. I am your new English teacher today. My name is Mr. David. Remember that. My name is Mr. David. Remember that. I love teaching English very much. I love teaching English very much.
English is a very useful language. English is a very useful language.
We will learn it step by step. We will learn it step by step. I am from a city called Manchester. I am from a city called Manchester.
I have been teaching for 10 years. I have been teaching for 10 years.
My favorite subject is English grammar. My favorite subject is English grammar. Can anyone tell me their name first? Can anyone tell me their name first?
My name is Ria. I am 12 years old.
I am happy to meet you all today. I am happy to meet you all today.
Please open your books to page 1. Please open your books to page 1. Today we will learn about greetings. Today we will learn about greetings. Greetings are words we say when we meet. Greetings are words we say when we meet.
Can everyone repeat after me, please? Can everyone repeat after me, please?
Yes, sir. We can repeat after you. Yes, sir. We can repeat after you.
Good. Now say this. Good morning. Good. Now say this. Good morning.
Practice makes a person very perfect. Practice makes a person very perfect. Now let us look at the alphabet. Now, let us look at the alphabet. English has 26 letters in it. English has 26 letters in it. Read them every day without fail. Read them every day without fail. Write 5 sentences about your family. Write 5 sentences about your family.
Sir, can we write about our friends too?
Sure, write about anything you love. Sure, write about anything you love.